I made many mistakes and ruined many paintings because I always wanted to go further, getting closer and closer to something perfect that seemed to drift further away. As an illusion of the mind, a mirage that when you think you have reached it, it moves even further away in the desert. After many battles against myself, then one day I realized that perhaps there's no need to reach that abstract idea, which is different for every artist. And that's how I began to understand when I was heading in that direction, namely when I entered an automatic mode and lost touch with myself. At that point, I would put the brushes down and focus on something else, seeking a connection with the real world rather than the imaginary. After a while, then I would return to the painting, and almost magically, I would understand what to do next.